Hi everyone, welcome to Sina's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you a very special and unique recipe which is called a red chicken fry, and I bet you will enjoy it a lot.
So let's begin the marination process. Take 2 pounds of chicken, wash it and put it in the cookware that you want to cook. The size of the piece should be medium, as this big. Add some salt to it, like a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This fry requires more of ginger garlic paste, and that gives a very good flavor to the fry. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red color, 3 tablespoons of milk. The flexibility of this dish is you can marinate and cook in the same cookware. Mix the chicken with all the ingredients properly and leave it for an hour. Look how good the marination looks. You can add a little more red color or less, and it totally depends upon your choice. After 1 hour, add 1.5 cup oil to the same pan and turn on the stove to high. Then mix it properly. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Then cover with lid and cook for 5 more minutes. Take the lid off and then add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And this tomato ketchup gives the chicken a very nice flavor, and you should not add too much of tomato ketchup. Mix it properly so that the ketchup gets blended very well with the chicken. Now turn the stove to medium and cook for 5 more minutes. Then turn the stove heat to high and cook till oil comes out. This chicken tastes very good if you cook it on very high heat. And there are like 2 choices. If you want some little gravy with the chicken, then you can stop cooking when the chicken is completely cooked and you have little gravy to the sides of the chicken, which tastes very good with naan. And you can continue further cooking if you want it to be a complete appetizer. So you need to keep on turning chicken every 2 minutes so that it doesn't get burnt completely. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can see how smoky the pan gets. All the smoke coming out from the pan, and the chicken is cooked very well. This smoke gives the chicken an additional flavor. And turn off the stove when chicken has that smoky flavor and a little blackish on its sides. So once all the gravy is evaporated and only the chicken pieces are left over with the blackish on the side, then that's it. That's really the yummiest red chicken. You can see the blackish kind of stuff that comes when you fry it on high heat, and that makes it more delicious. So here you go. Enjoy your favorite red chicken fry.